Hello, hello everyone. Magandang gabi po dito sa USA. It's 7:29 po and good morning po sa Philippines. Ayan. Kanina po guys, no, nag-announce na po yung ating CEO sa sino po yung nanalo, no, sa first week na challenge po dito sa Live Good. So, let me check muna guys, no, kung naka-live na po ba tayo. Yan, i-share muna natin ito sa ating mga ah, partners. Okay, inayos ko kasi po yung aking, camera kaya, 'pag nakatingin po ako do'n sa side kasi nag-ano ako, nag-view ako do'n sa aking, desktop, okay. I'm using the external camera po kasi. Okay, se-send muna natin ito po 'no sa ating, um, groups. Ayan, so guys, pakinggan natin po 'no itong, promo ng ating CEO. So i-present ko po dito, share screen. Okay, kasi po ang daming nagtatanong, ang hirap mag-explain kaya panoorin po natin ito. Okay, percent. Okay, lalakyan ko lang po siya para makita po ninyo. Ayan, may nakikita po.
What is up, our awesome affiliates who are out there absolutely crushing it, changing lives, breaking records, disrupting industries? You guys are on fire. You are awesome, and I absolutely love it. And so for the month of December, to keep the fire burning, to keep the momentum cranking, and to give you guys even more incentive and reward to go out there and absolutely hustle going into 2025 when even more records are going to be broken. We are putting out a big promotion in December, giving out $75,000 spread out over as many as 25 people, as many as 5 chances to win every single week, starting this week. Starting right now, the first promotion ends on Thursday, this Thursday night, December 5th. Winners will be drawn on Friday. So here's how it's going to work. Each week is its own separate promotion inside a full monthly promotion. I'll explain how that works. So first, this week, it's an easy one. All you have to do is give away one free health assessment and you are entered to win $5,000. One winner will be selected who will win $5,000 this week. For any additional health assessment you give out, you get an extra entry into that drawing. So you give away 10 health assessments, you got 10 chances to win that $5,000. But that's not all, because another $5,000, $2,500, $1,000, and $500 prize will also be given out on Friday for anyone who qualifies early for the full monthly qualifiers. And to win the monthly qualifications, you've got to meet each week's individual qualification. So this week is get a health assessment. Next week is enroll a new member. Week 3 is place a product order. Week 4 is enroll a new member again. So 4 weeks, 4 challenges. One health assessment, 2 members for weeks 2 and 4, and place a product order. If you do all of those things before this Thursday night, that is where the other 4 winners will come from on Friday. So there's not as much competition this week because a lot of people will take, more weeks or more days to qualify. But anyone who rocks out those qualifications gets them all done, the whole monthly qualifications, one health assessment, 2 members, and a product order this week before Thursday night, you will also be entered to win one of those 4 other prizes, $5,000, $2,500, $1,000, or $500 on Friday, in addition to the $5,000 for the health assessment week 1 challenge. So each week will go like that. You don't have to qualify. Once you qualify for the all month one, you're in every drawing for the rest of the month. You can get it done this week and you're set. You're set for the rest of the month, and any additional health assessment you give away, any additional member you enroll above those 2 gives you an additional entry into all the raffle, all the drawings that you guys are qualified for. Hope that makes sense. Can't wait for Friday's call. I'll explain it all a little bit more detail, but go out there, crush it at least this week. get your health assessment one knocked out, get that out of the way. And if you want to get a head start on the whole month, go out there, get those 2 members, place your product order, and you're qualified. You are set for the month. The point of this promotion is not just to give away $75,000. That's the tiny part of it. The big thing is to help you guys help your teams get qualified, because the more people in your teams who are enrolling 2 members, who are placing a product order, who are giving away the health assessment, the bigger, faster, stronger your teams are going to grow. And when that is like that heading into January, when the true momentum is going to kick in and those big numbers start to fly, you guys are going to want to have as many people running with you as possible. And so hopefully this helps you get a few of them off the couch and into business and going out there and crushing it with you. So let's absolutely crush December. Let's continue breaking records. Can't wait to see you guys at the top. We'll see you on Thursday and Friday's call. And 2025 is going to be huge. All right, guys. Have an awesome day. Let's crush it. See
Yuhu!
ya.
Wow! So, narinig niyo yung guys, no? Galing po sa ating CEO. So, sa atin pong mga members na hindi po nila alam yung kanilang link saan po siya kukunin, no? So, mag-login po kayo, guys. Okay, share ko po ito, no? Share screen ko muna. Okay, there you go. Share. Okay, dito po sa ating back office, guys, i-click po ninyo itong webinars. I know, websites. Yeah, my websites. Okay? Yung my websites, okay, ulitin ko lang po, no, sa hindi po nakakaalam. Ito po yung ating Live Good site, yung livegood.com. Ito po yung i-share ninyo kung gusto po ng friend ninyo or yung nag-inquire na magkaroon po ng discount. So, yan po ang ibigay ninyo, yung livegood.com/your username. Okay, yung Power Landing page po naman, yan po yung ibibigay po ninyo kung sila po yung interesado sa inyong business. Okay? So, papanoorin po nila yung 5-minute video and then mag-pre-enroll po sila dyan para ma-observe po nila yung ating system. Okay? And then number 3, ito po yung retail site. Ito po guys, no, meron po tayong shop link dito po sa Live Good. So, ang ibig sabihin po niyan, kung meron pong customer na gusto pong mag-shop doon po sa inyong site, you will get retail profit. So, kahit di po kayo maghanap ng affiliates, makakaroon po kayo ng income dito po sa ating retail site kung meron pong bibili. So, we will get 50% po, no, sa mga bibili po dyan. Okay, ito po yung bago na binigay po ng Live Good sa atin, yung ating free health report site. So, ito po guys, yung gawin ninyo, i-copy po ninyo ito, right-click. Okay, tapos i-copy po nyo yung link, copy link address, tapos i-save nyo po doon sa inyong cellphone or i-send nyo po yan sa inyong mga friends. Okay, sa Messenger. Okay, at yan po, dyan po sila mag-answer po doon sa ating free health report. Okay, ito po yung ibibigay ninyo guys, no, yung ating free health report. Kasi ito po yung requirement, no, para makasali po tayo sa entry doon po sa raffle draw. Okay? So, every Friday meron pong raffle draw na ibibigay po si Live Good. Okay? So, i-share nyo po ito ng i-share guys kasi free lang po naman ito. So, we have other link po, no, here in Live Good. Meron po tayong product package, product pages sa Super Greens and Super Reds, and coming soon pa po yung iba't ibang links na ibibigay po natin, no, sa ating mga prospects kasi inaayos na po nila per product po yun. So, sa promo guys, ulitin ko lang po, ito po yung gagamitin po natin, yung free health report. So, kung halimbawa, i-click po nila ito or you just copy this, i-highlight po ninyo. Okay, right-click po, copy, and then pumunta po kayo sa browser, i-add po ninyo doon, i-paste po ninyo. Okay, ang ganito po siya ang lalabas. No, kung i-paste niyo po yung saglit po, i-share this tab instead. Ayan, so kung i-click po nila or i-copy po nila yung link ninyo sa free health report. Okay, loading pa po yung aking internet. Hindi siya nakikita. Ayan. So, hopefully siya. Medyo mahina po yung internet, guys. Anyway, so kung i-copy nyo po at actually you can try po na i-answer yung free health report para alam po ninyo kung ano po yung mga need ninyo dito po sa LiveGood. So, just a minute guys, kasi parang hindi po siya nag-a-appear. Okay, i-click ko lang po siya. We'll see. Grabe po talaga ang internet. Medyo mahina po yung internet. Loading lang kasi siya dito sa akin. Okay, nagamit ko na siguro ng marami ito yung internet ko. Anyway, so ito guys, yung i-ano ninyo, balik po tayo dito sa site. Okay, share screen ko po. Share screen. Ayan. So, ulitin ko po, freehealthreport.com/goodhealthforyou. Yan ang aking username. So, yan po yung ibigay po ninyo para sa ating promo. Okay? At share lang po ng share kasi ito po ay free naman. At kahit hindi pa po sila bibili ng product, at least meron po silang idea kung ano po yung mga product na pwedeng po nilang gamitin dito sa LiveGood at pwede po silang maging member. So, yun naman po yung purpose doon. Parang i-educate po kasi sila kung ano po yung talagang need na product nila. No? Kaya personalized po itong health assessment po. Kasi magbe-base po ito sa mga answers po nila no, doon sa questions na doon sa ginawa po ni Dr. Ryan. Maganda po actually yung ating health assessment form no, na ginawa po ni Dr. Ryan. Ayan, nakikita ko na po guys. Eto. So, I hope you can see it. Ito po, no? It's like that. Okay? And i-answer nila, no? Take the free questionnaire. Dapat i-click po nila ito and then ito, what is your immediate health goal? So, kung gusto nilang mag-lose ng body fat, click po nila ito. Or kung gusto lang po nilang maging healthy, i-click po ito. Or build lean muscle. So, sa akin, I am here lose body fat, okay? Pang female, male, okay? I-click lang nila and then your age, okay? Your height, ilalagay po yung height. Okay, halimbawa ayan, okay. And then, how much do you currently weigh? Ilalagay po yan dyan kung anong timbang po nila. And then, just answer the questions, no? Madami po ito. So, we'll just see, 130. Okay, and then, how are you? How active are you? Yan. Very simple questions lang naman po. Hindi naman po mahirap. Okay, yan. Active, moderately active. Ayan. How many hours per week do you exercise? Ayan. So, just answer the questions po no honestly kasi magdedepende po ito kung ano po yung mga answers ninyo na ire-recommend ni Dr. Ryan no, sa mga products po natin. So, ayan. Diyan. Say, I will just click, no? Click lang po ako dito. Do you have family history of heart disease? Say, do you poop every day? Yes. Do you suffer from a low appetite? No. Okay. Do you wake up urinate? Yes. Are your typical energy levels? Okay, sabihin na lang natin, always tired. Okay. Do you eat lots of sweets? Sometimes. How much protein do you consume? Ayan, importante pala po yung protein. Okay. Do you often crave carbs? Crave carbs? Yes. Okay. Do you eat canned foods? How much water do you drink? So, mga simple questions lang po, no, yung dito po sa health assessment. Okay? Rarely. Ay, pwede po kayo mag-back kung ano. Rarely, tama nga. Okay, next. Do you smoke? No. How many hours of sleep? Ilagay lang natin. So, eto, nag-ano lang ako guys, nag-example lang po ako dito. Are you tired most of the day? How often do you feel stressed? Sometimes. You currently take nutritional supplements. So, halimbawa, kung hindi po siya nagtitake ng supplements, pwede niya i-click yung no. Okay. Medication? No. Okay. How do you often participate in activities with others? Most days. You feel lonely? No. Do you live within a mile in the golf course? Ayan. Basta answer lang po nila itong mga questions. And then, in the end po, mag-a-ask po ito ng email. Okay? And then, ise-send po doon sa kanilang email yung results po 'no, ng kanilang health assessment. Okay, I think I'm ready. So, ilalagay ko po dito ni LiveGood, yung email nila doon sa back office po ninyo. So, makikita po doon na meron pong nag-sign up doon po sa inyong free health report. So, counted na din po yun doon po sa ating promo 'no, na inano ni CEO. So, keep sharing po yung inyong free health tour, okay? Paramihan lang po ito ng free health tour. Anyway, it's free naman po. Ayan. Okay, so yan po yung aking gustong i-share for today, guys. And para po sa ating mga affiliates, no, stop share ko na po ito. Para po sa ating mga affiliates at kayo po ay nagpo-post online, okay? Dito po sa inyong FB, pwede po ninyong i-link yung inyong Instagram at saka yung Threads. Okay, para hindi po kayo mahirapan sa pag-post. And then pwede din po kayo mag-post doon sa inyong TikTok, okay? And then sa YouTube. And then sa Pinterest. Okay, pwede po doon. Para po padamihan lang po ito ng post kasi the more po tayo visible sa ating mga viewers, the more po sila na magta-trust po sa atin. So that's it for now, guys. Salamat po at hopefully presentation ulit kami ni Coach Bernie. Medyo busy lang po siya and busy lang din po ako. So hindi po magkatugma yung schedule namin. Anyway, thank you po for watching. And keep sharing po yung inyong free health assessment. Alright? So, see you next time po. This is Girly. Okay, live good, live a better life. Okay, God bless everyone. And thank you for watching.